Go ahead, make my day. Dispatch, there's a 211 in progress. I'm in pursuit. Hurry! Call the sanitation department. There's garbage on the street. They're running out of time. We've been set up. It's a trap. We've set a trap for Scorpio.
Try to keep the damage to a minimum.
He sure is quick. You have the right to remain silent. I know a third place is let you walk out of here.
Who's we?
Smith, Wesson, and me. Don't quit now, I'm just beginning to like you.